Hey, I'm gonna show you how to remove a business account from Instagram. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Open it and make sure you're logged in. You'll be on the home page. At the bottom, you'll see different icons. Click on the profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner and click on the three bars. A menu will appear. Scroll down under For Professionals and you'll see Business Tools and Controls. Click on that. From this page, you can easily remove your business account from Instagram. Just click on the option Switch Account Type. You'll get a pop-up asking you to switch to a personal account or a creator account. Click on Switch to Personal Account and that's it. Your account will be switched, and you'll have successfully removed your business account from Instagram.